So from your website template, you're going to click the button on the left, the three bars, and you're going to scroll down and click SEO and Analytics. That's going to open up a new window that's going to let you edit everything for Google. So first you can decide whether you want to make this web page visible to Google and other search engines or not. Of course you want to, right? You're going to add the title that you want to show up when people search for your website. So in this example, we're titling it "The Best Place for Writers, Dear Story." That's our example. The next thing you're going to add is your keywords. These are the words that users are going to use to find your website online. So for example, we're going to use things like submit your book or place for writers, things like that we think our users will type into Google to find our website. Finally, you're going to add your description, and that is what's going to show up on your website also. Dear Story is the best place online for new writers. That's our example. You're going to add your own description that's going to show up in Google and other search engines. Once you're done, you're going to head over to upload your fab icon. This is the little logo up there you see in the green. That's the guided logo. You're going to upload your own for your website so users can see that. Once you add your Facebook Pixel ID, you save, and you are done. This web page is all set for Google and other search engines. Now you can add other details to your other web pages.